Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at linear functions. We're going to be graphing a function of the form f of x is equal to ax plus b. We'll have integer and fractional slopes. Remember, the slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. And also remember that y can be replaced with f of x if it is a function, and all linear relations are functions. So f of x is equal to mx plus b means the exact same thing as y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so recall that the m is equal to slope, right? And it's going to be rise over run. And then b is your y-intercept. Okay, so let's look at the first problem. We've got a -2 for our slope, so m is equal to -2, and we could put that over 1, or we could do +2 over -1, depending on how we want to use our slope. Okay, and our y-intercept, which is our b, is y is equal to 7. Okay, so we go to the graph, we look for our y-intercept first. It's right there on 7 on the y-axis. Okay, and then we use our slope to create some other points. So the way I wrote it first is -2, that would be down 2 over 1. So down 2 over 1. And you could use that again, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1 as many times. Or you could use the up to left one. Okay, but you can see that the line sort of looks like this. Okay, and there's the graph. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, remember y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope. So m, in this case, is 1/5. Or you could write it as -1 over -5. It's the same thing. And our b, which is our y-intercept, is 6. So y is equal to 6. So let's go to 6 on the y-axis. There it is. Okay, and then we'll use our slope. Let's use the 1 over 5. So that is 1 up, 5 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we could go down 1, left 5. So down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's try to get that as straight as I can. Not too bad. Okay, and there is the graph. Okay, last example. Remember, this is f of x is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so we have our slope, our m, is equal to -2 over 3, or it could be written as 2 over -3, depending on how you want to use the slope. And then our b, which is our y-intercept, is y is equal to 1. Okay, so we go to 1 on the y-axis, place a point, and then we use our slope. So let's use the first one first. That would be down 2, right 3. So down 2, 1, 2, 3. Down 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's a couple points using the first slope. Now let's use the other slope. So this would be up to left 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the graph will look about like this. And that's it.